Hi friends, this is Vinod here, and in this session we are going to discuss how to set up H2 database. Let's get started. So first, I would like to give a quick introduction to what is H2 database server. So H2 database server is an open source lightweight database server in which we can create multiple databases for each and every application we work with. So let's get started with how to set up this server. So as you can see here, the first step is to download the H2 database latest version from internet with the URL given here. So as you can see here, I have multiple options. Since I'm using a Windows platform, I'll click Windows installer from here, and it is asking me to save the file. You can save the file here. So I'm going with the version 1.4.197. Once the download is complete, you can open it, and it is asking me the location where I would like to install the server. You can click next, click install, and you can see the installation is done. You can finish, and or you can just close all these things. So now we are done with the installation, how to access the database server and how to create a database into it and what are the settings which we have to set. So to see that, let me open start, and in start type H2. You can see the moment you type H2, it is showing us H2 console. I'll open it. So it is asking me for the Java access. I'll click allow. So by default, you can see H2 embedded settings are all set here. One small change I would do here is I will change the settings to H2 server, generic H2 server, and click save. And then by default, the driver is loaded here in order to use my H2 database, and the connection string is also given here. JDBC URL, and how to create a new database in this URL. If you look at the last word is a database name. So what I can do is I can create my own database name here. So let me give a database name as shopping cart, and username by default SA. SA stands for super admin. If you want to change a username, yes, you can go ahead and change, but I'm leaving it as SA. And you can give your own new password which you would like to give here. So I will give the password here as SA@123. So this is creating a new database with a username and password, guys. If you want to test the connection, you can click test connection and see it says test is successful. Okay, so let me give the password again and click connect. So here we go. We have created a new database called as shopping cart. You can see the connection URL from here. This is the connection URL. Username is SA and password is SA@123. And you can see there are no tables inside it. It's all empty because it's a new database which we created just now. And just to give you an example, I'm doing it. You can run it, and you can see a table is being created here called as product, and you can see it here. Which has two columns, product ID and product name. Product ID being a primary key field, it will not allow duplicate values. So this is to get you started with know how to create a database in H2 database server. Right guys, so that's it from me on this video. Thank you. Have a good day.